Imagine an Agilent-Digital-Multimeter that lets you make a measurement at a job site here, here, and here, and get an email alert while you're on the road here at virtually the same time. It's easy. Start with the Agilent device that works best for you. Attach the Bluetooth adapter, install the free Agilent apps on your Android smartphone or tablet, and you're ready to go. It's as simple as that. Now you can work more safely, from up to 10 meters away. Log and share data digitally from distant locations via email and SMS. Diagnose and fix problems faster, and monitor many different DMMs at the same time, no matter where you are. Discover how to achieve more here. The new wireless remote connectivity solution from Agilent. You'll be amazed how far it will take you.